Nestled in the heart of Charlotte, North Carolina, lies a vibrant tapestry of culture, innovation, and opportunity, known as the South End District. Join us on this aerial special by Port City Heights as we explore the essence of this dynamic neighborhood, where history meets modernity and creativity knows no bounds. Our exploration begins amidst the architectural marvels that adorn South End's skyline. From historic warehouses transformed into chic living spaces to iconic structures that stand as a testament to the district's industrial heritage. Each building tells a story, weaving together the past and the present in a captivating narrative. South End is more than just a neighborhood. It's a thriving economic epicenter. The district's close proximity to uptown means residents enjoy the convenience of easy commuting, allowing them to savor the city's cultural attractions, fine dining establishments, and entertainment venues without the hassle of long journeys. For professionals, this proximity translates into a seamless work-life balance, as they can easily access uptown's corporate offices, fostering a dynamic and interconnected business community. Additionally, South End's well-connected public transportation system ensures that residents can navigate the city with ease, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a blend of urban sophistication. As an integral part of the city of Charlotte, South End not only benefits from the city's economic opportunities and cultural offerings, but also contributes significantly to Charlotte's reputation as a vibrant and diverse metropolis, making it a destination of choice for both residents and visitors alike. Entrepreneurs and businesses converge here, enticed by the promise of growth and innovation. Explore the myriad commercial real estate opportunities, from cutting-edge office spaces to bustling retail hubs, where visions turn into successful enterprises. Beyond the brick and mortar, South End pulsates with a cultural energy that is as diverse as the people who call it home. Wander through vibrant streets adorned with captivating street art, sample exquisite cuisines from around the world, and immerse yourself in the sounds of local music venues. South End offers an unparalleled quality of life, where living and working harmoniously coexist. What sets South End apart is its innate ability to inspire and nurture artistic expression. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey through one of the fastest growing districts in Charlotte, a place where the spirit of innovation knows no bounds, and where the promise of tomorrow shines brightly on its streets today. We will see you next time. From Port City Heights.